the role that genetics play. Let me just give you 5 very quick examples of groundbreaking research in the last year. David Hunter, Walter Willett, and Graham Kolditz from Harvard and UCLA and USC, along with Michael Toon and Gene Kalb and Carmen Rodriguez from the Intramural ACS program, through an epidemiologic study, were able to isolate where on the long arm of chromosome 8, several mutations occur that cause prostate cancer. This is research that ultimately will translate into better diagnostics and better treatments for prostate cancer. Epidemiologic research that became basic research that's going to ultimately translate into helping them with prostate cancer. Fergus Couch of the Mayo Clinic recently discovered that the BRCA2 gene, famous for causing breast cancer, is also involved in about 20% of pancreas cancers in the United States. As we learn more about the genetics of cancer, we will learn more about how to both discover and treat pancreas cancer, a disease where today 90% of people who are diagnosed with it die from it. Bob Weinberg, who in my opinion will someday win a Nobel Prize, is at MIT. And he's done groundbreaking work on how cells invade and metastasize. He discovered the oncogene, the gene that goes wrong that causes cancer to start growing. And he actually had a part in discovery of the tumor suppressor gene, a gene that, if we can learn how to manipulate, can actually slow the growth of tumors or perhaps stop them. Denny Slayman, fellow University of Chicago graduate, is at UCLA. With ACS money and money from others, he helped to develop a drug called Herceptin. Last year, he discovered that there are 3 genes involved in triple-negative breast cancer. And we already have a drug that's used in leukemia called dasatinib, which actually turns off those genes. Denny Slayman is now opening a trial that may be groundbreaking and treat the triple-negative breast cancer, the breast cancers that we have difficulty treating that occur in about 20% of American women. Matt Meyerson from the Dana-Farber Harvard Hospital discovered that NKX2 is a gene important in the growth of non-small cell lung cancer. Non-small cell lung cancer is indeed the most common cancer in the United States in men or women. These are all groundbreaking early developments that without your work, we couldn't do. As important as the MD or the PhD with the idea, or the technician who runs the gel in the laboratory, is people like you participating in Relay for Life, supporting cancer research. By the way, I chose examples of cancer research that were supported by the ACS. Those 5 projects were not supported by the National Cancer Institute. They were supported by the work that you guys have been doing over the last 20 years.